In this video, I'll detail how to fix apps not downloading in iPhone. So if you have an iPhone and you'll be struggling to download your favorite application on your iPhone through the iPhone App Store but none is working, then this video is going to walk you through step by step on how you can easily download apps on your iPhone. So if you found this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to fix apps not downloading on iPhone, whether it's a Touch ID iPhone or Face ID iPhone, the first thing you want to do is you want to check and confirm that you have a very strong internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you want to be sure that the Wi-Fi you're connected to is strong. And if you're using a mobile service or cellular service, you want to make sure you have enough data cap and you're not being blocked by your network carrier. So once that is set, that's just the basic means you can use to fix apps not downloading when you're using iPhone. Because if you're not connected to the internet or the internet connection is not stable, you'll not be able to surf the internet, let alone downloading from the internet. Now, second approach is you want to go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, click on your iCloud account. Then scroll down and click on sign out. Then once you tap the sign out button, you'll be prompted to type in your iCloud account password. Then go ahead and type in the password. So just type in the password. Once you type in the password just like this, tap turn off at the top right. Then your iPhone will confirm the password, and once the password is correct, then you should see a pop that says sign out. Tap sign out. Then are you sure you want to sign out? It may take a minute to remove your iCloud account from this iPhone. Go ahead and tap sign out. Then you should see copying iCloud data. Then your iPhone will be signed out from the iCloud. And once the process is completed, you want to restart or reboot your iPhone. Once done, go back, sign into the iCloud account again on your iPhone. So just close the settings, open the settings again. Once you open the settings again, come here and tap Apple account. Then you should see sign in manually or use another Apple device. Then here, tap sign in manually. Type in your Apple ID email. So go ahead and type in your Apple ID email. Then click on continue. After that, go ahead and type in the password again. So you need to make sure you type in the exact password you use to access your Apple ID. And once you type this, scroll down again and tap continue. Then hang on for your iPhone to log into the Apple account. And once logged in, then you should see a pop that says Apple verification code. So this is sent to your other devices running on iOS 10 or macOS Sierra or later. So this could be on your iPad or on your other iPhone. Then type the code. So once you type the code, just hang on for your iPhone to verify this code. And then you should see signing in. Then this is going to sign you into your Apple ID account on your iPhone. So you just need to wait for this process to be completed. So this might take a couple of minutes. Then go ahead and type in your iPhone passcode. Then wait for your iPhone to confirm your iPhone passcode. And once your iPhone passcode is confirmed, the next thing you just need to do is close the settings page on your iPhone and open the App Store. Then you should see a pop that says your Safari data and contact on this iPhone will be uploaded and matched with iCloud. Click on match. Now once matched, you should see your Apple account signed in. Now you can now go back to the App Store on your iPhone, open the App Store. Then you should be able to download your favorite application at this moment. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.